Hello guys, today we are unboxing something really special, a 1/64 scale Pagani Zonda R. The Zonda R isn't just another Pagani, it's one of those most extreme track only cars ever built, and seeing it in this tiny scale is always exciting because the real car itself is already such a rare masterpiece. Before opening it, let's take a quick look at the packaging. Right away, you see the branding. For collectors, packaging can be just as important as model itself, as I always like to take a moment to appreciate it before opening it. Alright, let's open it up and take the car out. So we have a box and a nice packaging out, and here it is, the Pagani Zonda R in 1/64 scale. Look at this casting. The first thing that stands out is the aerodynamics. The Zonda R was designed purely for track, so everything here is focused on performance. You've got massive rear wing, the large diffuser, and all the air vents and the air channels that you see on the front hood that helps the car in downforce and cooling. First, look at the wheels. It's really well detailed, rolls well, so it will be nice to play with it as well. The side profile is one of my favorite angles. If you see it from this, you can clearly see the large air intakes in the front. That gives the model the proper track race stance. If you see the headlights, they are painted and not a plastic insert, but that is something we can live with. We have a carbon fiber detailing inside the dashboard as well. You can see a few details of the seats, the steering, gear knob. Love the striping that has been done on the top of the car completely from the hood till the back, and it aligns with the wing. We have Pagani badging on the wing. See the back details. We have a few like exhaust details on the back. We have painted tail lamps. The diffuser looks really good. The wing is slightly crooked. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like that one. But that's alright. Let's see how the car rolls. It rolls really good. Do we have suspensions? Yes, we do. We have suspensions in the front. We have suspension in the back. Let's see the base. We have a metal base and fairly good details on the base as well. Amazing casting by CCA. Really love this. Value for money. Definitely should add to your collection. I have one more car to show you which has similar color schemes which you can see in the back. Let's bring that one as well. This is the Porsche from Majorette. If you see the color scheme, the black, the yellow stripes, the red stripes, I just wanted to like bring both of these together, as I felt they are both racing liveries. So yeah, it's here in the background. Maybe we'll do some video later on that one. Right now, the Pagani Zonda R. Let me know what you think of this Pagani Zonda R model by CCA and which car you'd like to see next in 1/64 scale. Thanks for watching.